This is we doing today a rough in. This is the rough in today. We're here in the rough in place. So this is it look like. And here and there. Blue water. We call it the underground water line. We put it underground of water line. That's why our customer want to. Our customer want water under the ground, so this is it. We'll put it on. So this is the commode, and this one here, water heater, blue water line, and have a water line there. And here we go. Here our line. This is look like. And this one here, look at that. But you know what is this? This is R5 here. So this is just look like.